What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, Kris KeyZ. And today I'm going to talk about the new update in Logic X 12.3. I'm going to talk about the new flex time and smart tempo update. I think it's probably one of the best features I've been missing for so long. I've had to go to other DAWs like Ableton or Fruity Loop to do simple things that I felt like Logic just wasn't doing at the speed or at the level that I wanted it to do. So today I'm going to show you just a quick feature that they did do, and hopefully this will help a lot of you producers out there, engineers, creators using Logic Pro. Now, excuse me, they've had flex time in Logic for quite a while, but you have to do a lot of things manually. So now I'm going to show you how you can drag and drop in a sample without doing too much manipulation. So if I play the sample right here, this is from another video I did, and this is a Logic Pro sample. So it's a sample at 65 BPM, and I'm just going to drag in a regular sample, and this sample's at 137 here. We could do this one first, right? So obviously, if I drag this sample in, we can tell right off the bat it's not going to line up. So if I play it, right? So you can see that. So what Logic Pro has done is they created a new way to kind of like how other DAWs have been having. But we can go in now, just click up here at the top where it has keep tempo. You can go here, or you can go to your settings and just go to smart tempo, and they give you a section now under the smart tempo tab, your default flex and smart tempo origin. So you can set the new recording to flex time off, flex time on, smart tempo off. You can set it to flex on with the smart tempo on. You can set it to flex on with the smart tempo on and the line bars on. And then you can also set the flex time on, the smart tempo on, and align the bars and beat. So I'm going to go ahead and align the bars and beat right here for the new recordings, but also on the imported file. Since I'm importing a file here, I'm just going to go to the bottom and align bars and beats. All right, so now let's check this out. So now that I have that setting right there, so now let's go back to that same sample, and we got the same tempo, 65 BPMs. Let's now go ahead and drag the same sample in, and let's see what we get. It should line up a little bit. Let's see. Right? Hey. All right, so you can see the sample does line up, but you can see it's kind of like halftime. So a couple things you can do right here. One, we can go, since we have, they added a section over here under your regions tab, where it says the file tempo is 137. So all I have to do is really just cut that in half, and that's going to give me it should give me the loop, but in a 2-bar setting that should match the current tempo of the regular loop. So let's try that. So my math's not that great. 137 divided by 2, I know it'll be like 70, what is it, like maybe 78, 77. Y'all help me out here. No, it'd be not 70, 68.5. I think that's what it is, right? Somewhere around there. So as you can see, I just play with the file tempo, and boom, now you have your percussion loop or whatever your sample is that lines up in a from halftime to regular time. Now another way you can do this feature's been here. I'm going to undo this right here. So I'm going to go back and let's change our so we have the grid here. Another way you can do it, I've been doing this way, but I kind of like not doing this way now that we have the flex tempo that you can adjust. Let me drag a new sample in here. Hold on 1 second. Let's do this one right here. Okay, so we got the same issue. We're gonna drop let me square this out. So we have this loop right here. So it's almost the same issue before. So one way to do it, you can actually go to the end. If it lines up, you can hold down Option and go to the end and drag it, and that kind of adjusts your flex time that way too. Make sure you hold down Option, and you can see how the tempo kind of lines that way. And once again, if I go to the end again, and if I hold down Option, if I don't hold down Option, it's just going to cut the track. Kind of like cut it in half where it cuts off, right? So you got to be sure you hold down Option. If I hold Option again, it's going to double the speed again. So if I hold down Option again, it's just going to make that sample a lot faster. So this is another way. Another way you can do it. Let me just undo that. I don't prefer doing it this way just because I feel like the sound quality gets a little bit lost if you go, too many BPMs or manipulate it a little bit too hard. But for the most part, I'm very happy and very pleased Logic has added this simple feature, or you can just drag and drop. You don't have to go in and do too much manipulating with that. Now within that as well, you have more features on the Smart Tempo where you can add like a downbeat and it'll kind of do its AI recognition on that if the tempo doesn't line up. But for the most part, just an easy, quick video to show you guys how you can take, say if you just want to start adding some samples and they don't line up with the same BPM, just go up here to, once again, your Keep Tempo, go down to Smart Tempo Project, and then go down here to your default flex and Smart Tempo settings, and just change to the new recordings in your import files. I usually put it, like I said, on the last one, but you can adjust it to whatever fits your preferences from there. And you can also add the trim, because sometimes you get sampled and there's a little bit of gap at the beginning. So if you add that trim right there, it's just going to recognize that first downbeat and trim that extra little space off there for you. So hope this video helped you guys out, was very beneficial to you. If it was, be sure hit the like button, hit the notification and the subscribe button. It definitely helps out my channel a lot, as I'm still a small channel growing. So thank you all for the love and the support. Until next time, it's your boy Kris. Y'all be good and be safe. All right, love y'all. Peace.